Have you heard about the man who bought just 2 pizzas for $650 million? Yes, that's true. On May 22, 2010, programmer Laszlo Heinz, living in Florida, heard the doorbell ringing. When he opened the door, he found the delivery man with 2 hot pizzas from Papa John's. Then he had a lunch which seemed ordinary lunch, but this meal is now historical. It represented the world's first transaction using cryptocurrency, 10,000 bitcoins, which at the time amounted to about $30. Today those 10,000 bitcoins are worth around $650 million. Imagine that. With that amount, Laszlo could buy enough pizzas to feed himself, his family, colleagues, friends, and even everyone he knows for a lifetime. There is even a website with the price of those 2 pizzas. Today everyone is talking about the cryptocurrency, but almost no one understands what it means. In this video I'll explain everything you need to know so you can tell everyone else about it without any problem. And you will find who sold the digital art for $69 million. Before breaking down what crypto is, let's understand, why do you need crypto at all? Let's be honest, the main reason for us is to make money, and most likely you have heard from some of your friends or seen posts on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok about 15 years old kid making millions of dollars by investing in crypto. In 99% of cases, people come to crypto because of these big earnings. It can be all described with one word, FOMO, or fear of missing out. So you think that you could make a lot of money too if you had invested in some tokens in the past or so. But cryptocurrency isn't just about making money. It's also a tool to solve various global problems. For example, cryptocurrencies can help you bypass government restriction and sanctions, protecting your saving from inflation. Also, crypto makes it super easy to transfer money quickly without needing any middleman. And that's not all. There are even more reasons why cryptocurrency is becoming a game changer. I believe absolutely everyone has a potential to make money with crypto. But remember, every coin has a two sides. You could also lose all your money, so it's important to act wisely and with caution. So we have realized that you can really make a big bucks with crypto. Now let's dive what it actually is. Let's get straight to the point. I read several articles about crypto for beginners and tried to find the simplest explanation of what crypto is. Turns out the first answer on Google did it best. Cryptocurrency is digital money that exists only on the internet. It has no physical form. It uses special technology called blockchain to secure and validate transactions. Think of it as an alternative to traditional money we use to pay for goods and services in real life. That's enough for basic understanding. But now you might be asking a very logical question. Why do we need this crypto if we already have a banks, which is a convenient option? I understand. It's a bit complicated, but let me try to explain it to you. To put it simply, think of crypto as an attempt to replicate traditional financial system in decentralized world. It's like taking what we already know about finance and adapting it to a new digital frontier. Let's see some simple analogies to help you understand how crypto compares to traditional financial systems. Payment systems. Just like Visa and MasterCard process the transactions, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana enable digital transactions. Banks. Just as you store money at bank like Chase or Bank of America, you use exchanges like Coinbase and Binance or your crypto wallet to hold your cryptocurrencies. Pretty much all tools of traditional finance are being replicated or trying to be replicated in crypto space. But setting aside other minor differences, there is one fundamental way in which crypto sets itself apart from conventional finance. And it's how you store your funds. For this, we need to use crypto wallets. A cryptocurrency wallet is simply a program or physical device that stores, receives, and sends your crypto to other wallets. It's really not complicated. Here's why it's revolutionary. Crypto wallets allow you to store your money without any middleman involved. This means complete control. No one can ban you or seize your assets. Think of crypto wallet as a digital equivalent of cash. You can't store cash online, but you can use crypto wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. Some popular examples include MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, and Phantom Wallet. When you use crypto wallet, you are the only owner of your money, and you can do absolutely everything with it. You can send any amount of money you want, you can make any number of transfers, you can send to anybody or any countries. I would say there is literally no such thing as a country in the blockchain. For example, if you are in a country where the banking system is underdeveloped or there are some restrictions, you may have problems with sending and receiving money. And crypto solves this issue. You just need your wallet address and you can receive and send money anywhere, anytime without limitations. However, with the great power comes the great responsibility. Since you are sole owner of your money, the safety of your crypto entirely relies on you. When you create a wallet, you will be given a set of 12 to 24 unique words, known as the seed phrase or recovery phrase, which gives you access to your wallet from any device. It's crucial to treat these phrases with the same level of security as you would your bank details. If someone else gets hold of your seed phrase, they can access your wallet. Therefore, keeping your seed phrase secure is absolutely essential. Okay, we have covered why we need crypto, what is crypto, and what is crypto wallet. But we have missed the most important aspect. I mentioned that we are the true owner of our funds with our crypto wallet. But how does that actually work? It works perfectly. Let's keep it simple and skip the deep technical details. They are not necessary for our discussion. Think about traditional banks. There are servers located in physical buildings and fully controlled by the institution. They oversee and manage all transactions. Crypto, on the other hand, operates on decentralized system, which means there is no single center of control. In world of crypto, all transactions are recorded in shared ledger known as a blockchain, maintained by each participant in network. Every member plays an equal role in verifying transaction and recording data on the blockchain. This decentralization means that there is no central authority. We will not dive into this technical topic, but it's essential to understand the fundamental principles that makes crypto unique and secure. Let's go over it again. The real beauty of crypto is that you can be sole and complete owner of your money. No banks necessary, no headaches with international payment. The blockchain doesn't care who you're sending money to. Mexico? Sure. Poland? Absolutely. Nigeria? No problem at all. Now I bet you are wondering what blockchain actually is, right? Put it simply, the blockchain is like a vast storage system where all your crypto data is kept. Your wallet balance, all transactions, everything. You could think of it as a similar to Visa or MasterCard's payment network, or even like a large Excel spreadsheet that records every details of all your wallet balance and transactions between them. We could spend a lot more time diving into how blockchain technology works. But let's be honest, you don't need all that details just yet. I think you have got a good grasp of basics. Now let me introduce you the most popular blockchain, probably one you have already heard of. Yes, it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency launched in 2009 with its own dedicated blockchain. It's also the largest by market value. But there are many other cryptocurrencies out there, each operating on their own blockchains, such as Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Near, and others. You might wonder, why are there new blockchains if Bitcoin already exists? Well, while Bitcoin has been revolutionary, it's not perfect. And nothing in this world is perfect. And that's exactly why innovation doesn't stop. New and existing blockchains like Ethereum and Solana have emerged, each solving unique challenges and offering different features. Now you hopefully have a clear understanding what blockchain is. Let's pivot back to the broader topic of the cryptocurrency. In world of the crypto, there are 4 basic units you need to know about. It's coin, token, stablecoin, and NFTs. Coins. These are native cryptocurrencies of specific blockchains, used mainly to pay for transaction fees within those networks. Essentially, without coins, the blockchain wouldn't function at all. Examples of coins include BTC for Bitcoin network, ETH for the Ethereum network, and Sol for the Solana network. Tokens, unlike coins, they are built on existing blockchains and can serve a variety of functions. So simply, if project does not have blockchains, they are called tokens. Stablecoins. This type of tokens is pegged to the value of the fiat currency, typically the US dollar, providing price stability. And mostly you use them to trade crypto or just hold them to buy crypto at better price you want. Example of stablecoins, USDT, USDC, and many others. Moving on to the NFTs or non-fungible tokens. They are truly unique assets on the blockchain that can represent anything from digital art to music files and even property documents. Unlike tokens or coins where each unit is interchangeable, each NFT is distinct and cannot be exchanged on one-to-one basis with another NFT. They are often used in the crypto world like digital art pieces. And if you are thinking all this NFT stuff isn't serious, consider some of sales figures. For example, Digital Monkey NFT sold for $3.4 million. And another digital art called Every Days, the first 5,000 days by the digital artist Beeple, was sold for $69 million in 2021. This collage, made up of 5,000 images created daily over nearly 14 years, was the first purely digital NFT sold at major auction house. $69 million for a single piece of art? That's a lot of money. Moreover, there are various marketplaces where you can buy, sell, or simply check out the price of different NFT collections. One of the main marketplaces is OpenSea. If you're curious about how much NFTs are valued, it's definitely worth a look. So now you understand the basic of cryptocurrencies, what it is and why you might need it. Naturally, you are probably curious about how to buy or trade crypto. There are two main ways to do it: centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. Centralized exchange, these platforms operate like traditional brokers where you can trade a variety of assets. They offer convenience, fast transaction speed, and a range of trading tools. However, transactions occur on the company's servers rather than on the blockchain, so you must trust the exchange with your money. This setup is not entirely secure and confidential and often requires the KYC procedure. How it works on centralized exchange: you register on the platform, top up your exchange wallet with your credit card, then exchange confirm your deposit and update your balance. You buy the desired coins such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. They are stored in the exchange wallet, but you can withdraw them to your personal wallet for safer holdings. Reliable exchanges like Coinbase, Binance or Crypto.com are great option for your first crypto purchase. There is also decentralized exchanges. These are platforms like Uniswap, SushiSwap or PancakeSwap, allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with each other without entrusting their funds to third party. All transactions are executed via smart contract on the blockchain, enhancing security and transparency. Decentralized exchange do not require KYC, maintain your confidentiality. So how it works on decentralized exchanges? You create a crypto wallet, for example MetaMask, Trust Wallet or Phantom Wallet. Visit the decentralized website like Uniswap, connect your wallet, purchase the coin you need, which immediately appear in your own wallet. It's simple, and additionally now many of crypto wallets offering convenience of buying or selling cryptocurrency within the wallet itself, without needing to navigate different websites. The main differences between decentralized and centralized exchange is how they handle the user funds and transactions. Decentralized exchange do not store user funds, not control transactions. Instead, all exchanges occur directly on the blockchain through smart contract. The best part, there is no need to register an account. You simply need a wallet which you connect to decentralized exchange, no email, no password and no verification required. For beginners, I generally recommend starting with centralized exchanges and then moving to the decentralized exchanges once you have created your crypto wallet. Now I'm sure you have got good grasp of what cryptocurrencies are, why they might be important to you and how actually everything works. Most importantly, you have seen how it can potentially change your life. I hope this information empowers you to transform your financial situation. With the right approach and understanding of crypto, you can truly earn significant amount of money. In fact, cryptocurrencies have a potential to greatly improve your life if handled wisely. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next.